Some things.
Yeah.
Okay, here's that. Here's the little label.
That's what you'll see for our YouTube channel.
And it rocks whenever
On the
we're doing our
videos, it does.
tutorials.
Yes.
Okay, and Debbie's been posting some things on there because Lisa made her.
Yes, I thought it was a great idea for Stitch Pink if she did a tutorial on every block.
And she's doing it.
So, Debbie's been doing tutorials on every Stitch Pink block, and let's show them the quilt.
Okay.
She's got quite a few of them done because she has to keep caught up.
So it's halfway finished.
Okay, I'm going to back up a bit so I can get all of those blocks in there.
And we still have kits available, so if you didn't get started, it's not too late.
All right, and those blocks are all grunges, so they are all Moda grunges.
They're very yummy.
They've got white paper as a background, which is a grunge color, and then all of the others are shades of pink, and that is for breast cancer awareness. They release a pattern a day for the month of October. We have those posted on our Facebook and YouTube channels.
Yes. And there are only 30 blocks, and so on the 31st, you put a little border on the outside, and it's all done. And you can sew it together as you go because there's no sashing.
Right.
So that's one fun thing that we had to show you.
So if you're interested in that, you're getting some, I love the tutorials.
Oh, thank you.
If you're interested in your own kit, the tutorials will be up there forever because we started our YouTube channel years ago and those tutorials are still up there.
They will, and on our Facebook page, those patterns will be, but you can go ahead and print them out now, and you know, even if you haven't started it yet, you can click, they're still on there.
Okay. So if you're interested in a Stitch Pink, and I know we've done this one before, but it's turning out to be such a fun quilt, we wanted to offer it again. For those that aren't in the store or that are still on the fence, you can order it tonight. Sold Stitch Pink kit, $99. That's a little bit of a bargain because they upped the fabric requirements. We had figured our price before they upped the fabric requirements, so you're getting 1.5 yards, I think, extra in there.
Right.
So.
And for those people that, if you're doing it and you're finding that, because at first the fabric requirements were a little tight, they said. So if you're finding you're running out of fabric, we have all those fabrics here.
Yeah,
so
we can get you more. Okay, notice Debbie's shirt. There's Debbie's head. There's Debbie's shirt. Long sleeve, crew neck collar, and it says Rocking Chair Quilts is my happy place. And we have talked with the lady that made our shirts, and she is going to make some for us that we can sell. And mine is crew neck, short sleeve, says exactly the same thing.
And I don't know if you can see the color very well, but they're black shirts and they have a coral color writing on it, and they're really pretty in person.
Yeah, they are.
So I don't know how.
I really love the color of the lettering.
Yes.
So this says Rocking Chair Quilts is my happy place. Yours can say the same because we'll have those to sell. We also called over there, and if you like a V-neck, we have short sleeve V-neck or long sleeve V-neck. The tricky part is that the long sleeve V-neck is not the unisex shirt. It's the made for a female shirt, and so she suggested that you order one size larger than you would in this type of t-shirt because they fit a little bit more form-fitting.
And so they all have different prices, so we just printed up a sheet, and we figured that was probably the easiest way to do it instead of, you know, making all these different little cards. So they all have different prices. So crew neck short sleeve, small to extra large is $15, 2X is $17, 3X to 5X is $18. Crew neck long sleeve like I'm wearing, small to extra large is $18, 2X is $20, 3X, and they only had 3X in that, it said.
That's all she said. If somebody needs it bigger, we can check to see if that's available, but that's all she told us about.
And that's 21. V-neck short sleeve. V-neck short sleeve, or small to extra large is 17, 2X is 19, 3X is 20, and they only said 3X in that one. And on the V-neck long sleeve, small to extra large 19, 2X is 21, 3X to 4X is 22. And someone asked if the print on the shirt can be a different color. Yes, it can. Just let us know in there if you want a different color.
I wouldn't suggest black.
No. That'd be funny, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't get black print on a black shirt.